If you use a PIN to log into Windows and you've forgotten what it is, it's pretty easy to reset it. From the Windows sign-in screen, click I forgot my PIN. After a moment, a window will open and you'll need to type the password for your Microsoft account. And then click Sign In. It may ask you to verify your identity. If so, go through the process of getting your code and click Verify. You'll then be asked if you're sure that you want to reset your PIN. Click Continue. And on the next screen, type what you want your new PIN to be. Type it again to confirm, and then click OK. After a moment, the PIN will be changed and you'll be logged into Windows. If you have any questions, you can always visit the Acer community or our Acer support site, and don't forget to subscribe.